guys, welcome back to My Passion with Ebi D. My name is Ebi D, and on my channel I do videos such as DIY craft videos, I introduce recipes, hairstyles, and I do unboxing videos such as this. So if you are coming to my channel for the first time, thank you for joining. Please be part of the family by subscribing to this channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys, you are always the best. Thank you guys for staying through with me and supporting my channel. So today let's get quickly to unbox what's inside of here. Let's see what's in here. I'm sure when some of you see this, what comes to mind is a mannequin, headstand. I've got this one here. Oh, is that one here? Do you have a clue what this is? I think with this you should have a clue now. So I guess you guys have an idea of what it's in here. Yes, I got more light. I have two that I'm already recording with, but I need like an extra light. I love light. I love light. So this is my tripod stand. I actually got one of my lights. I think one of the lights is from Neewer, and this other one is from Raleno, which is the same seller. So I'm buying again from them because their light is very good. And then this goes to the top here. Gives you a softer look when you use this. So that's it with my unboxing today. Thank you guys for staying with me watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.